Good night.
Bye.
Oh, man, Chris, I finally got this thing to work. So here we go. I've only got 23, but here, check this out. Yeah. Bring it over here. It is incredible. Look how stable that thing is. It's got, let me go over there a little bit. I'm gonna take and bring my hand underneath it. See, it goes away from it. See, and you feel the air going down below it, and then see, look at, whoa, whoa, oh, whoops, oops, wow. That was like 12. I'm like at 12%. So, you know, maybe that's I don't know, may not even work now. Oh, it does. Shoot. Pretty neat. Finally got it to work. Thanks, Chris. Yeah. Woo! Let me bring it back over here. Let's see if it'll land on this table. I don't know if it will. Yeah, it does. Oh, low battery alert. So, alright, cool. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it. Took me a while to get this thing figured out, but got it. All right, buddy. Yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate your help. And you have a good one, huh? All right. Thanks. Took me a while to get this thing figured out, but I finally did. Anyway, all right, later. Bye.